Commercio.network's extensible and distributes for extensible blockchain technology. We are doing daily tutorials, trying our best to simplify a complex subject like blockchain. It's not easy. If you like what we are doing, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support means the world to us and helps us to continue creating the blockchain videos you love. As the business world becomes increasingly digital, it is more important than ever to have reliable and secure solutions to support your operations. One technology that has been gaining attention in recent years is blockchain, a decentralized ledger system that offers a number of benefits for businesses. Commercio.network offers a range of business solutions based on extensible blockchain technology. In this tutorial, we will explore how you can use Commercio.network solutions to streamline your operations and improve your bottom line. What is Commercio.network? Commercio.network is a blockchain-based platform that offers a range of business solutions designed to improve security, transparency, and efficiency. The platform is built on the Tendermint consensus algorithm and utilizes the Cosmos SDK to provide a flexible and customizable framework for building blockchain-based applications. With Commercio.network, businesses can leverage the benefits of blockchain technology without the need for extensive technical expertise. Commercio.network offers a range of business solutions that can be customized to meet the unique needs of your organization. Some of the key solutions include Digital Identity Management. Commercio.network's digital identity management solution allows businesses to verify the identities of customers, employees, and partners in a secure and efficient manner. This can help to reduce the risk of fraud and improve compliance with regulations such as KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering. Supply Chain Management. Commercio.network's supply chain management solution allows businesses to track the movement of goods and services from the point of origin to the point of consumption. This can help to improve transparency and accountability in the supply chain, as well as reduce the risk of counterfeit or fraudulent products. Decentralized Applications. Commercio.network's decentralized application (DApp) framework allows businesses to build and deploy custom blockchain-based applications. This can help to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance the customer experience. Using Commercio.network's business solutions is straightforward and requires no extensive technical expertise. To get started, you will need to create an account on the platform and choose the solutions that best meet your needs. Commercio.network offers a range of tools and resources to help you get up and running quickly, including documentation, tutorials, and developer support. Once you have chosen your solutions, you can begin to integrate them into your existing workflows and processes. Commercio.network solutions are designed to be flexible and customizable, so you can tailor them to meet the specific needs of your business. Whether you need to verify the identities of customers, track the movement of goods through the supply chain, or process payments securely, Commercio.network solutions can help. Thank you for watching. Get in touch with us or sign up on Commercio.app.